Easy peasy Chic's beach opportunity. The bay is calling for you. This larger, one-bedroom unit is great for those looking for a more open, functional floor plan. Updates from the seller include stainless steel appliances and plank-style ceramic tile flooring throughout the main living area. The dual-entry kitchen with a pass-through provides the most efficient, entertaining flow. Perched on the 7th floor, you can enjoy a view of the beach from the extended double-slider balcony and bedroom. The on-site Cape Henry Towers amenities include community-only beach access, pool, tennis courts and putting green, game room west/library, fitness center and locker rooms, meeting space that includes a kitchenette and bartop for events, multiple elevators, parking, security, and their friendly, accessible management staff. Just minutes to everything Chic's Beach has to offer. This is a wonderful opportunity to have your own piece of the beach life.